Thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel, Save Green here. And today we're going to unbox this device. It's an electric cleaning brush. We'll show you how to get it for a really good affordable price. Just follow the links below on our video description. But this device right here is a 9-in-1. You can charge it. It's wireless. It's got multiple brush heads. And the one beautiful thing about it is you don't have to drag a cable around it. You can charge it wirelessly, and it's very, very easy to operate. It'll charge in about 4 hours, just like it's mentioned here, and you can use it continually for up to 1 hour. Approximately, it'll say 50 minutes, and it gives you 25 watts of power, which is really powerful for something you can have handheld in your device. Why is it 9-in-1? It's got 9 brushes, which will cover most of your cleaning duties. If you have a cleaning business, or if you just like to keep everything tidy and clean, this will work on your living room floor. It'll clean your refrigerator coils. It'll clean your barbecue grills, and that's why they have different heads. So this one here, for example, the small brush head will clean your barbecue grills. The pointed one will do like rims on a car. You can clean windows with it. It's got a sponge for like cleaning a table, a glass table. It'll work on just about anything. So on with that, we're going to go ahead and unbox it for you and show you what's included. So you have the instruction manual, which will give you tips on cleaning and connecting your brush heads. And each brush head is individually sealed, which I like. Here's the one with the actual brushes to clean something rough like your barbecue grill. You have another one here, and you want to make sure you use the right one for the right material. This one looks like almost reminds me of a Brillo pad. Let's go ahead and open this one at least so we can, yeah, it's rough just like a Brillo pad. So you have different applications. This one is the soft one. So just about anything that you want to clean without having to put a lot of elbow grease. And here are the different for like the small areas. I guess this would be good for cleaning your rims on a car, like those hard to reach areas on the metal, and it'll leave it nice and like looking new. So you have these as well, and there's a special mechanism to the way they connect. Let's see here. Oh, I like this. It brings a special device where you can mount this on the wall and just hang it there. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, and you don't even have to worry about drilling or nailing because it's got that very strong backing adhesive. I just recommend that you use a very smooth surface to mount this. So if you have like a utility room, you could put this up against your washing machine or dryer or whatnot, and you can just hang it here when it's not in use. Pretty clever. I like that. All right, let's see what else we got here. You got the actual charging cable. As you can see, it's USB-C on one end and then USB on the other, so you could use a connector here to the wall and connect it to the device. If you have like an application where you got this on both ends and you have the cable around, you can use that as well. Okay, and here's the wand, because this does extend. You turn this and pull it out, and you can use it like in a hard to reach area. So if you're more of the safety conscious type person, you don't want to get on a ladder and you want to get somewhere where it's really high. Let's say you, like I said, if you had a cleaning business and you were removing cobwebs around the house, you can use this, dry of course, and just use one of the spin brushes, I guess one of these guys here, and get cobwebs out. So it does extend long enough where you wouldn't have to get on a ladder if you wanted to reach like a normal sized roof. Let's see. So this is the part that's got, it even has a little hole, so if you wanted to mount this a different way, like you can use a nail or screw on the wall and just hang it, or hook, instead of using this guy. So that's another option. See, so you can extend this, turn it and extend it and reach areas that are harder to reach, or if you're not tall enough, you can do that as well. Pretty cool. And then the wand itself is here. Now this doesn't feel heavy on my hand at all. So what I like about it is that it's lightweight, very easy to use, and then you got your connector here where you can put the different heads on it, and this is where you would put your wand. So you got your power, there you go. And you got different levels. So the first one, and then the second one goes a little faster. That's nice. And then you got your connector here. So if you wanted to charge it, you just put your USB-C here, connect it to your wall or whatever source you got for power, and you got your power indicator here that's going to tell you when the device is 100% fully charged. So pretty neat and nifty device. I'm going to put a link in the description where you can get this. We got it at a heck of a deal, so you can do so as well. And if you want to keep things around the house clean, or even your auto or utility or whatever, this is like another handy gadget that'll help you as well. So until next time, please, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel, Save Green here. Simply hit that subscribe button below, and check out our other videos where we are also doing other reviews on different products that are going to save you money. We try to get products that are at a discounted price for you and display them here, and not only review them but do the simple unboxing as well. So thank you for watching. We will see you next time.